Field Day, Personal Narrative. I love to play sports at any time of the year. I'll even shiver through a soccer game in November. My favorite sports day of all is Field Day. It takes place during the last week of school. Everyone in school is on one of 4 teams. I am on the blue team. Our teachers set up all the games before we get to school. They must wake up at dawn. They also make sure everyone is fair and plays by the rules. Yesterday, my favorite day was finally here. I couldn't wait to play and cheer for my team. The first event of the day was an obstacle course. We had to hop through tires, run around cones, and crawl through a tube. I ran into trouble early. My foot got stuck in one of the tires. I tripped and let out a loud cry of pain. Luckily, the fall didn't do much harm. I just scraped my elbow. Soon, I was ready for the next event, the potato race. Each set of partners was given a potato on a spoon to carry it back and forth across a long field of grass. To win, the partners had to go the entire way without dropping the potato. Each person had to stay calm and walk carefully. It's easy for the potato to fall off of the spoon. During my turn, I could see the potato tremble on the spoon, but it didn't drop. When I reached the finish line, I saw my partner jumping up and down. We had won the race. Our win put our team in first place. I felt like a hero.